And here we are entering the tiny home. To the right we have kitchen area with electric stove. This is where the refrigerator will go. And there is room to add cabinets on the top. There's also a shelf. I have a large cabinet there for storage. There's the electric cooktop and the stainless sink. Nice faucet and window over the sink. Here you have a nice bath. A composting toilet. A nice full-size shower. A lot of windows for good natural lighting. Window seats. There's a window on the side here. Some nice window seats here with some shelving. There are two cubbies here for storage. You can put a closet bar in there if you like. And a couple of lights right there. It'd be nice to have maybe a nice little reclining chair there or a small sofa. Yeah, nice big windows. Beautiful woodwork. And then this is the loft area going up to the bed. The camera makes it look smaller, but there's a nice amount of space there. And again, some nice windows. And then this is the view from above. All right, so here we have it from the outside. A little bit of backlighting there. Real pretty.